Have you seen the word choose in math problems, like 5 choose 2 or 6 choose 3? Choose shows up everywhere. Picking a team of 3 from a class of 10, picking 2 toppings from 6 pizza options, picking 3 books to take on vacation from 5 on the shelf. Today, let me show you a simple shortcut to calculate any choose. Pause the video. Have you seen choose in problems before? What do you think the word means? Let me start small. 4 friends: Anna, Ben, Kara, and Dan. Pick 2 for the swing. We can just list every group: Anna and Ben, Anna and Kara, Anna and Dan, Ben and Kara, Ben and Dan, Kara and Dan. 6 groups in total. We say 4 choose 2 equals 6. Listing works for small numbers, but for bigger numbers, it takes forever. Here is the faster way. Think of picking one friend at a time. First friend, 4 choices. Second friend, 3 choices left. So in total, 4 times 3 equals 12 picks. But hold on. Picking Anna, then Ben gives the same group as picking Ben, then Anna. We counted every group twice, so we divide by 2. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. The same 6 groups we listed before, but way faster. Let me apply the shortcut to 2 real problems. Example 1. Pick 2 toppings from 6 pizza options. That is, 6 choose 2. Top 2 of 6. 6 times 5 equals 30. Divide by 2 times 1, which is 2. 30 divided by 2 equals 15. So there are 15 different 2-topping pizzas. Example 2. Pick 3 books from 5 on a shelf. That is 5 choose 3. Top 3 of 5. 5 times 4 times 3 equals 60. Divide by 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. 60 divided by 6 equals 10. So there are 10 ways to pack 3 books. Same pattern every time. Pick from the top, then cancel the order. That is all the shortcut does. This is the choose formula. N choose k equals n times the next lower number for k numbers in a row, divided by k times k minus 1 times all the way down to 1. Look for the words how many ways to pick a group when order does not matter. That is when this rule applies. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.